This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy RMB from Binance full guide. Start by confirming your Binance account is verified and you have funding ready. Then navigate to buy crypto, pick C2C trading, and set filters for payment method and price. Select a trusted seller, check limits and feedback, place a test order if unsure, complete payment as instructed, and release funds only after seller confirms receipt to protect your funds. Review exchange rates and seller limits to find the best value when buying RMB. Use filters for payment method, price, and completion rate to narrow options quickly. Check seller feedback, trade volume, and response time, and message sellers with quick questions to confirm responsiveness. Avoid deals that pressure you off-platform or ask for unconventional payments. Use Binance escrow protections and contact support immediately if a dispute arises to protect your funds. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if this guide is helping you buy RMB smoothly. I also recommend the Echo Dot smart speaker for price alerts and hands-free trade checks. It fills your space with sound and gives timely reminders when markets move. It's compact, easy to set up, and ideal for small desks where you trade. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if interested. Now let's get back to the video. After placing an order, follow the seller's payment instructions exactly and upload any required proof if requested. Wait for the seller to confirm receipt before releasing escrowed funds and avoid releasing early. If the seller delays, contact customer support and retain all chat and receipt screenshots. Once RMB lands in your Binance wallet, consider converting a portion to stablecoins for stability and transfer larger amounts to a secure wallet. Set small test trades first to verify process and limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.